First design principle is to restore. A gentle upward massage just behind the mastoid area, combined with an intention to lengthen the back of the neck, can help relax the tight neck muscles, restore upright head position in relation to the spine, and restore the center of gravity and grounding. That's the intention that I set. And for me, every time I have done this, which has really not been that many times, but each time I feel much greater proprioception between my spinal column, the back of my neck, and the back of my head.
Okay. So 这是平衡开关设计原理的第一个，就是恢复。在乳突区域腕骨舌后方轻柔的向上触碰了，同时带着伸展颈后的意图，可以有助于放松紧绷的颈部肌肉，恢复头部相对于脊椎的正直位置和恢复重心与踏实感。继而老师自己本人的感觉就是每次他这样做呢，他就会更能够对他的脊椎和他的后颈和他的头后有了一个更好的本体感觉的关系。